Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is my 1 month of investment summary update. Like I said, I was going to try to invest about $1,400 in my first month. That was $200 a month every month based on this car hacking plan, plus the $1,200 stimulus check that we all received if you were made less than $75,000 a year. So as you can see here, this is where I'm at currently. If you look at the cost basis, I'm 7 cents short of being $1,400. Some of that came back from dividends, some of it just I'm a little short. So if you look at where my cash investment is, I got $2.81 sitting there. I chose Charles Schwab as my investment platform over, say, Vanguard or Fidelity or NAV online because I like to have a brick and mortar. That's me personally, as a comfortability kind of a thing. So I chose Charles Schwab because I had a couple of coworkers who had Charles Schwab. Charles Schwab and Fidelity also allow you to buy fractional shares, which is why you see the 0.137 shares of DIV and 0.0638 shares of PEY. Where if you have Vanguard, you have to wait until you get enough money to buy one full share. It's very minor, it's not going to affect much. But what I did this past week, going to that, as you can see here, 4 shares of SCHD, 1 share of the bond, and I bought 8 shares of PEY. And you can see here I got a dividend, and the dividend payout was very minor. I think it was like 88 cents. So you take that 88 cents plus the $1.86 I already received from Div, that was like $2.74, I believe. So going back to my funds, as you kind of see, that's why I have those 2 fractional shares. Look at my growth. First month in, I'm up on a total of $75.44. I like that. And then going back to my last video, I said I need to figure out what divisions of the market I want to be in, whether it's financials, tech, and so on, where I want to be balanced. So if you look at this chart, one thing that's nice about Schwab is they have this view where it tells me where I'm at versus the S&P 500. So if you look at this chart, I'm in the lighter blue, the S&P is the dark blue. I'm high in consumer staples. I actually like that because consumer staples is talking like the food industries or grocery stores. It's your basic bare essentials, and that is, quote unquote, resistant to our pandemic, to a social collapse, because that's what people are going to be buying. Discretionary is not too bad. A lot of the tech pay some better dividends, so I'm low there by about 7%. So that's something I kind of want to go and look into. The same thing goes for healthcare. Healthcare include like all your pharmaceutical companies. That's where I'm just kind of looking at this. I don't mind the balance where it's at. Yes, it's not the S&P 500, but if I wanted to truly track the S&P 500, I would have got a total market fund, or I would have pushed more towards, say, a index fund that would track the S&P 500. But based off of my balance, I'm quite happy with it. Going forward, I'm looking to see where this is going to grow. This is just a nice, quick, short video. Hope you guys enjoy the video. This is where I'm sitting. Hope you guys are learning a couple things of what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, kind of my thoughts, my strategies as a first-time investor of where I'm going. Eventually, like I said in the previous videos, I will be putting a lot of this money into ETFs to have this broad market lookout, as you saw, of where I'm kind of divested within my stocks. And then I will eventually go and start buying individual stocks like the 3Ms, like the P&Gs, like the Amazons of the world. So I'm just, I'm starting, and ETFs is where I wanted to start. You can start wherever you want. But I hope you guys can kind of see where I have very minimal invested. I'm already seeing money returns, and that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to gain those dividends. I'm trying to reinvest them and slowly gain my money over time. This is a marathon, not a sprint. So, and hopefully I will have my goal of being able to buy my next car through this fund in the next 4 to 7 years. Thanks for watching.